I already know how to buy from one city but I don't know how to calculate. See, if you want to be on top of if you want to be the baddest importer, it depends on your level of calculation, right? If you don't know how to calculate, I don't know how you want to survive importation, because trust me, your shipping company, they can cheat you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Yes, the last time I used a shipping company and my goods got to me, and after doing my calculation, man, I realized I was cheated, and I messaged them, right? I messaged them, and ever since that time, trust me, there was no issue like that. But again, imagine if you were the one, will you even know? No. If your suppliers cheat you, you will not know. If your shipping company inflates your shipping fee, you will not even know. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can calculate your sea shipping, right? I'm going to be using my shipping company price to calculate anything we are going to be buying here, anything we are going to be working with here in this video, right? So let's look for a product that we can calculate using sea shipping. Or should I just go to this particular lady that sends me a DM on our channel? Yeah, well, if you don't already know, we have a group where we all comes together as an importer to calculate, to discuss reputation, problem. If you're having issue, anything, blah blah blah, you can come. We come together to like share the idea. Yeah, where you get access to free suppliers contact, you get access to free supplier store link. Is this not amazing? So if you know you would like to join the group, please kindly leave a message, and I'm going to be dropping the contact or this telegram channels link so that you can be added, right? Okay, so I think this is the measurement through C. Let me screenshot and translate so that I will not be using my head, because in importation you don't use your head, right? You do the necessary things. Okay, the bag has a bottom length of 33 centimeter, a bottom length of 12.5 centimeter, a height of 25 centimeter, and the net weight of it is 400 gram. Can you hold a 14 inches laptop, AA paper, and other items? Can you see? So let's calculate. This is the measurement. If you want to ship it through C, this is the measurement you're going to be using. Please, if you can get hold of a note or anything, please write it down. Let me show you this is the same bag a lady wants to buy, but she does not know how to convert from gram to kg or whatever. I think on my next video I'm going to be dropping a video on how you can convert gram to kg or from kg to gram, blah blah blah. But in today's video, let's focus on how to calculate sea shipping step by step, how you can calculate your sea shipping like a pro. If after this video you don't still understand how to calculate your sea shipping goes, then but let me not say anything, let's just go right into it. So she said the length is 33 centimeter and the width is 12.5. So let me go to my notes. I'm going to be writing everything down. Length is 33 centimeter. Length is 33 centimeter. Then is it the width is the width. The weight is 12.5. The width is 12.5. Then the height is 27 centimeter. So this is what you're going to be doing. You come down here. The first one is, so when you're doing sea shipping calculation, you use the length, the width, and the height to calculate. Yes, you use the width, the length, the width, and the height to calculate. Just look for the product you want to import. Maybe it's freezer or anything. Just go and bring. Ask your supplier what the volume is. If you ask them what the volume is, they are going to give you something like this. Then write it down. Then here is what you're going to do after you have been given the volume. The first one, which is the length. Let me clean this in because I don't want to confuse anybody. Once you ask your supplier and he or she gives you the length, the width, and the height, right? You come here and do it like this. 33 times 12.5 times 27. Are you understanding so far? It is very, very simple. So let's head to our calculator. Of course, we have to calculate it to get the answer. 33 times 12.5 times 27. What did he give you? Equals to 11,000. Equals to 137.5. 137.5. This is what it gives you, right? Then what is the next step? Hope you understand to this point. Let me pause. Do you understand? Do you understand? Because I want you to understand this thing. If you want to enjoy your importation, you need to know how to calculate any item you are buying. Maybe it's one piece of bag you are buying. You have to calculate this thing. Ask your supplier, what is the volume of this item once you want to ship it through sea? Ask for the volume. This is the volume and this is the calculation. You times it together and it will give you any answer it gives you now. You multiply it by 1 million. Like this. You divide it, divide it by 1 million naira. Divide it by 1 million naira. Is that okay? Are you understanding to this point? Well, I should start all over. No, let's not start all over because I don't want to waste people's data. But I'm sure this is simple. So this answer now. Divide by 1 million naira equals to what? This is how you get your CBN. Or should I write to... Okay, let me put it. Our CBN, price of our CBN. Price of the CBN. Price of the CBN. Let's put equals to what here? Equals to the price of our CBN, which is 0.010 1111137575. Right? You already know the CBN of that bag. I hope you're not confused why I'm using CBN. If you don't know why I'm using CBN, please leave your question. If you know you want to understand everything, ask question, please. It was somebody that asked me this question. I'm going to be immediately I'm done posting this video here. I'm going to go to our group chat and drop this video for the on the group, so that if you are confused at any time, you can still watch it. If you want to watch it here on YouTube, fine. Any which way is fine. Right? So this is the CBN of that bag. This is the CBN of that bag. We have not arrived at how much we are going to be paying. The next thing for you to do, is to ask your shipping company for the price of a CBN. Right? Let me give it some gap. Hope I'm not confusing you. I believe I'm not confusing you. Right? After you've gotten the CBN of this bag, this is not up to a CBN. This bag we are buying is not up to a CBN. You know, a CBN is that big container. It's very, very, very big. It's very, very, very big. So we are not buying up to a CBN. So we need to ask our shipping company, how much is a price of a CBN? You go ahead, ask your shipping company. My own shipping company said a price of their CBN is 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira. Can you see? This is the price of my own CBN. I use main service if you don't know. Yeah. So this is the price of my CBN. So what do? Multiply by the price of your CBN, which is 500,000 naira. Can you see? This is how much you are going to be paying for that bag. I mean, it is very, very simple, right? Very, very, very simple. You are not even paying up to 6K to ship that bag down to Nigeria. Yeah, it's as simple as ABC. Hope somebody is not confused. Did you understand what I did? If you don't understand, then let's do it again. You already know the CBN of that bag. Price of the CBN of the bag. Let me put of the bag. This is it. This is the price of the CBN of the bag. Then then I came down here and said the next thing to do is to ask a shipping company for the price of a CBN. My shipping company price of CBN is 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira. You can do it like this: 500,000 naira times 0.0111375. Can you see? Please, if you don't understand, let me know. If there's any way out. See, you don't need to be shy about this whole thing. This is how to calculate using C shipping. It is very, very, very simple. So let's say 5,000. Let's make it round figure. Let's say 5,000 5,700 naira. 5,700 naira. That means, do you understand? Okay, maybe I should see. Okay, let me see, write it here. 0 where is points now? 0.0111375 times the price of your CBN times the price of your CBN times the price of your CBN, which is 500,000. 500,000 naira is equals to 5,700. This is how much to chip that bag. To chip the bag through sea, it will cost you 5,700. I believe it's very, very, very simple. Ask your supplier the length, the width, and the height. You can simply say, hello, my friend, what is the volume of this goods? Once he gives you, this is what he's going to give you. 33, he's going to give you the length, the width, and the height. Then you times it together. 33 times 12.5 times 27. You write what he gives you down. Then you divide it by 1 million naira. 1 million naira. Then once you divide the answer by 1 million naira, that is how you get the CBN of that product you're buying. So the CBN of this bag is 0.0111375, right? That is the CBN. Then how do you now know the price you want to pay for the bag? You go to your shipping company warehouse. If they give you in dollar, ask for their exchange rate. Make sure it's in naira. Ask for their exchange rate. Change it to naira. Then once you ask them for the price of their a price of a CBN, they are going to tell you 500,000 naira. Then the CBN of that your bag, you bring it down. You now times it. You now multiply it. I'm using times because I want it to be very, very simple and straightforward. You now multiply it with the price of your CBN. It's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. But if you don't see understand anything, if there's any way you don't understand at all, let me know. If you now times it again with the price of your CBN, that is when you will now get how much you are going to be using to ship this particular bag through sea down to Nigeria. It's very, very, very simple. And if you would like to join our Telegram channel, please comment below and I'll send you the link. You'll be added to the Telegram channel where you get access to free suppliers contacts, you get access to free supplier store link, and opportunity like this, you have access to it. Like if you are confused in any way in your importation journey, you can join the group, ask your question, and I'll be attending to you. So if you don't understand this process, kindly let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share to any other person that it might need this video, and I'll see you on my next video, which is going to be hair shipping calculation. Yes, how to convert from gram to kg, from kg to gram. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.